Hello again. Last time we had a look at the Xreal Air 2 Pro, and this time we're going to be looking at the Xreal Beam Pro. Now this isn't a smartphone, but this is a media player. You can download apps and games. You can put all your films, movies, everything else on here. You can connect to Netflix, etc. And these, if I can open the box. Okay, there we go. And this will connect to the Xreal Air 2 Pro. And of course this does like spatial video as well. So you can record video and photographs in similar to the spatial video that you can get with the Apple glasses. Right, so in here we've just got a few booklets and things, and a SIM ejection tool there as well. Okay, so I don't need to look through the booklets much. This is pretty much a smartphone without the SIM card. So you can't use it for streaming with a SIM card, unfortunately. But you can put a memory card inside up to 1 terabyte. Okay, let's take this paper off. Okay, there we go. Tear it off. Right, so it's a nice looking device. I don't know if you can get cases and things for it, but let's see how it goes. Xreal Android. You've got your 2 sockets on the bottom here, so you can charge and plug in the glasses at the same time. There's your stereoscopic cameras. Dedicated button on the top. Xreal in orange. This is like the iPhone 5C, if you remember those. It feels very similar to that. Heavy phone, nice quality.
Many months later.
Okay, so it's been quite a long time since I recorded the videos, and I thought I'd let you know a little bit of information. This is very similar to the Apple glasses, not like the Meta glasses. It's not really for gaming, but it is a very nice device for streaming your videos, Netflix, movies and content like that. The spatial videos and the photographs are also very, very nice. Very good quality, high quality, and the images look beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed the 2 videos that I made on this, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.